Want to know how to upload customers on your City Hive dashboard? I'm Poch from Intention Creative, the industry's leading liquor store niche marketing agency. We're going to start here from the dashboard. From there, you're going to go down here to the customers menu. From the customers menu, on the top right portion, you're going to see this little icon with like three people. Click on it. And right below that, you can create an upload. So when you create an upload, you'd be filling out these fields and you can put in a single customer that way. So put in their full name, their email, their phone number, and that customer is going to come out. If you have a bunch of customers that you want to upload, you could use the second option, which is a CSV file. So you'd upload that CSV file, map the name, email, phone number, SMS notifications, email notifications, and push notifications. Once you've mapped all of that to your file, you're good to go. Just click on yes, upload that file. If you want to see more City Hive tips and tricks, join our newsletter in the link below. If you're a liquor store looking to grow your in-store or online sales quickly, visit our website at intentionallycreative.com.